Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's take a look at your independent reading assignment. You have now explored a little bit about what this is. Let's take a deeper look. So our learning target is I can continue to grow as a reader by selecting a book to read on my own. My success criteria is I have selected a book that is new, interesting, and challenging to me. So you've gone through this step already about why we read. You have reflected a little bit about what is important to you. Now let's talk about what this means for us. So pause right now because I can see two things happening even though I can't even see your faces. Some of you are like, yes, this is the best day of my life, right? You're excited to read. Some of you are literally Googling like how to drop out of my school because I'm asking you to read a book. Two extremes, okay? Deep breath. You're fine. We're fine. Everything is fine. Here we go. So no matter how you feel, guys, let's talk a little bit more about this assignment. The idea of this assignment is we are going to continue to grow as readers by doing just a tiny bit of reading every day on our own. That can look like a lot of different things. Sometimes you may have class time to do that. Sometimes we may be asking for 10 minutes of your time outside of that. Either way, I promise you it is going to be fine, so don't freak out. Couple of things that I want you to keep in mind. The biggest thing is why we read. There's a lot of important things that happen, like that video outlined for you. Guys, reading can teach us so much. It can teach us about ourselves. It can teach us about others. It can help us navigate new situations, learn about relationships and emotions and all of these different things, how we interact, how we are as people. So that's really important, and we want to continue to read to make sure that we are immersing ourselves in those things and growing as a reader. Super important, right? There's so many benefits. The second thing is when we think about this assignment, we want it to be something that is exciting and interesting to you, okay? So it's not something that's like so miserable and I hate this. This is an opportunity. You can pick what you want and you can make this look how you want. This is your deal, right? We're just asking that you're reading outside of class a little bit, okay? So that's my next point. When you're looking at books, we cannot say things that we're reading for class. So for instance, if you're like, seed folks, okay, we'll be doing some of this reading together. Some of it will be your asynchronous work, but guys, like, look at this book. We're gonna sail through this, okay? I want you to pick something outside of what we're reading in class together to challenge yourself. Pick something that is new, something that is interesting. If you do that, this will not be a drag. Like, it's going to be something that you're excited about and looking forward to. I promise. And I am here to help you. I love talking books, so I'm here to help you, okay? So those are kind of the things that we're thinking. We're going to give you a little bit more specific timelines coming up of what this looks like, but again, we're just asking for a couple of minutes of your day, something that you can pick up and read, have kind of an idea of what that looks like. Give yourself even 10 minutes, 20 minutes is ideal, but give yourself a couple minutes a day. What would it look like to read? Knowing that we're going to try and finish whatever we pick for ourselves around Thanksgiving time. That's all I'm asking today. We will get more specifics in our reading groups next week, so don't worry about anything else. As you're searching through these resources, think it has to be new, challenging, interesting to me. After you've kind of gotten that down, think about what can I realistically finish probably around Thanksgiving time and go from there. Remember, reading looks like a lot of different things. You're going to find some amazing things in here that aren't your maybe classic book. There's lots of options. I am open to a whole lot of different things. The only thing I ask is we're like maybe not saying the captions on TikTok or what I read, right? That is reading, but like different, right? So think about something like that. Let me know how it goes. Fill out that Google form and you are good to go today, and we'll talk more next week. Thanks.